Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a TuyaSmart lock using an iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone and your smart lock are stable connected with Wi-Fi. Also, turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone. Now open TuyaSmart app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, download it from App Store and log in or create an account. Once you are at the home screen, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of your device. After that, tap Add Device. Now prepare the smart lock. Open the back cover of the lock and make sure the batteries are installed correctly. If the lock is new, it should be ready to pair. If not, press and hold the reset button or hear a beep or a flashlight. Now go back to the app, choose door lock or smart lock from the device list. When your device is connected with 2.4G Wi-Fi, Tuya smart lock do not work properly. With 5G Wi-Fi, this step is very important. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap next. The app will now search for the lock. Stay close to the lock and wait for a few seconds while it's connected. Once it's connected, you can rename your lock, assign it to the room like front door or bedroom door, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.